Natural anti-aging solutions for normal skin. Let's start being young forever. Welcome to my video where I'll show you some of the best natural anti-aging solutions for normal skin. By following these tips, you can keep your skin in perfect condition and look really beautiful always. Many products claim to help customers look 15 or 20 years younger in just a week or a month. However, these claims are often exaggerated and unrealistic. That is ridiculous. Don't trust them, just waste your time and money only. To achieve amazing results, you must follow the right routine. With the right products and time. It may take anywhere from 3 months to 6 months. Or even a year to see significant improvements depend on your skin concerns and your skin type. Let's take a closer look at the structure of our skin. By understanding our skin in detail, we can take better care of it and keep it healthy. Human skin structure. The skin is composed of 3 layers, the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous fat layer. The epidermis is the outermost layer that is continually regenerated. It contains keratinocytes, which are the main cells of the epidermis formed by cell division at its base. New cells continually move towards the surface and gradually die and become flattened. Corneocytes are the flattened dead keratinocytes that together make up the very outer layer of the epidermis called the stratum corneum or horny layer. This protective layer is continually worn away or shed. Melanocytes produce the pigment melanin that protects against UV radiation and gives skin its color. The dermis is the inner layer that includes sweat glands, which produce sweat that travels via sweat ducts to openings in the epidermis called pores. They play a role in temperature regulation. Hair follicles are pits in which hairs grow and also play a role in temperature regulation. Sebaceous glands produce sebum, an oil, to keep hairs free from dust and bacteria. Sebum and sweat make up the surface film. The subcutaneous layer under the dermis is made up of connective tissue and fat, which act as good insulators. The skin acts as a barrier between the organism and its environment. Light, thermal and physical injury and hazardous substances. It also prevents entry of bacteria, stores water and fat, prevents loss of moisture, water, reduces harmful effects of UV radiation, acts as a sensory organ, touch, detects temperature, helps regulate temperature, acts as an immune organ to detect infections, etc., and produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. How to keep skin healthy? Thorough cleansing. You should perform this twice daily. At night, make sure you remove all your makeup and cleanse properly before going to bed. Use a gentle soap without fragrance. Balanced nutrition. Moisturizing. This is recommended even for those who have oily skin. Sunscreen. This is probably the most important thing that you can do for your skin. How diet and skin aging relationship with. We regularly face primary challenges in deciding what to eat to maintain young, healthy skin and delay skin aging. If a food isn't good for your body, it'll rarely benefit your complexion. Food exerts its effects on skin through its capacity to either cause or combat inflammation. Most foods that cause inflammation can be traced to a few common ingredients: refined carbohydrates, sugar, and sodium. Skin conditions such as acne, rosacea, atopic dermatitis, and psoriasis can be exacerbated by these pantry staples. You should be aware of the following food: white bread, white rice, sugary cereal, crackers, pasta, dairy milk, ice cream, bacon, soda, juices, sports drinks, and other foods containing sugar or corn syrup, fried food, alcohol, artificial sweeteners, smoke. Are bad for your skin when consumed large amounts. Let's go. Here they are. Natural anti-aging for normal skin solutions. I suggest 3 different anti-aging for normal skin collections from basic, good, advanced, better, to high performance, the best. All of them are natural, effective, and affordable. If you follow simple steps below daily, seriously, you can stop the aging time clock and very happy with a new amazing you quickly. Remember to repeat each step at least 5 minutes apart. ****** basic, good, anti-aging solution for normal skin. Include a collection of 1 Dr. Grendel Gentle Cleansing Milk 200 milliliters. Cleanses the skin without drying it out. Provides moisture. Remove all dirt particles and makeup residue. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply to dry face, neck and chest and spread it with wet hands. Then wash off with lukewarm water. 2 Dr. Grendel Cleansing Soft Tonic Toner 200 milliliters. A soothing tonic without alcohol. It soothes sensitive, stressed skin and prepares it optimally for the following care steps. Application: in the morning and evening. Cotton pad with soft tonic water and then apply to cleansed face, neck and décolleté. 3 Dr. Grendel Vitamin Infusion Eye Cream 20 milliliters. Reduces signs of tiredness and puffiness for refreshed look. Targets wrinkles with a smoothing action. Improves collagen production. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply a small amount to the IAR after cleansing. 4 Dr. Grendel Vitamin Infusion Cream 50 milliliters. Maintains the skin's natural tonicity. Helps the skin to look younger for longer. Stimulates collagen synthesis and protects existing collagen fibers. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply a hazelnut-sized amount to the face, neck and décolleté. After cleansing and after applying a suitable eye care product. 5 Dr. Grendel Protection UV SPF 50 Serum 50 milliliters. This light serum sunscreen SPF 50 protects against UVA and UVB radiation. It is applied to the skin exposed to light approximately 30 minutes before planned outdoor activities. This is repeated several times as needed to maintain UV protection. Application: directly apply sunscreen serum to the light-exposed areas of the skin approximately 30 minutes before planned outdoor activities. Now let's forward to the next collection. Advance, Better, Anti-Aging Solution for Normal Skin. Include a collection of 1 Dr. Grendel Gentle Cleansing Milk 200 milliliters. Cleanses the skin without drying it out. Provides moisture. Remove all dirt particles and makeup residue. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply to dry face, neck and chest and spread it with wet hands. Then wash off with lukewarm water. 2 Dr. Grendel Cleansing Soft Tonic Toner 200 milliliters. A soothing tonic without alcohol. Prepares it optimally for the following care steps. Application: in the morning and evening. Cotton pad with soft tonic water and then apply to cleansed face, neck and décolleté. 3 Dr. Grendel Beauty Gen Renew Eye and Lip 15 milliliters. Provides an immediate lifting effect. Eyelids are visibly lifted. Fights with small wrinkles on the eyes and mouth area. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply a small amount to the eye area after cleansing. Then use a suitable moisturizing cream. 4 Dr. Grendel Beauty Gen Renew Essence 30 milliliters. With glacier seaweed extract, anti-aging peptides, marine saccharide and wild rose oil. For a regenerating, anti-aging, refining, soothing action. Refines and improves complexion texture. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply morning or evening to cleansed skin on face, neck and décolleté. 5 Drive Grendel Beauty Gen Renew Eye Silky Touch 50 milliliters. Stimulating, firming, soothing and illuminating anti-aging action. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply morning or evening to cleansed skin on face, neck and décolleté. 6 Dr. Grendel Beauty Gen Renew Neck 50 milliliters. An intensive rejuvenating and firming cream for the neck area. Stimulates firmness and protects the youth of the neck. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply to the neck area in the morning and evening. 7 Dr. Grendel Protection UV SPF 50 Serum 50 milliliters. This light serum sunscreen SPF 50 protects against UVA and UVB radiation. It is applied to the skin exposed to light approximately 30 minutes before planned outdoor activities. Application: directly apply sunscreen serum drive. Grendel Protection UV SPF 50 to the light-exposed areas of the skin approximately 30 minutes before planned outdoor activities. Now let's forward to the third collection. High Performance, the best anti-aging solution for normal skin. Include a collection of 1:1 Dr. Grendel Gentle Cleansing Milk 200 milliliters. Cleanses the skin without drying it out. Provides moisture. Remove all dirt particles and makeup residue. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply to dry face, neck and chest and spread it with wet hands. Then wash off with lukewarm water. 2 Dr. Grendel Cleansing Soft Tonic Toner 200 milliliters. A soothing tonic without alcohol. It soothes sensitive, stressed skin and prepares it optimally for the following care steps. Application: in the morning and evening. Cotton pad with soft tonic water and then apply to cleansed face, neck and décolleté. 3. Dr. Grendel Performance 3D Eye 30 ml Pro. Luxurious high-tech eye care. Gives the eye area a relaxed, youthfully smooth look. Takes a multidimensional approach to correcting the signs of aging around the eyes. Signs of stress and fatigue disappear. Dark circles and puffiness are reduced. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply in the morning and evening after cleansing the skin around the eyes. 4. Dr. Grendel Forever 39 Ampule 3 ml -24 pk. Strengthens, stimulates and protects collagen and elastin fibers. Leaves the skin firm, revitalized and rejuvenated. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply a half ampule, half in the morning and the rest in the evening, to the face, neck and décolleté, and gently massage into skin using fingers. 5. Dr. Grendel Performance 3D Face 50 ml. Luxurious high-tech care, anti-aging. Provides deep, long-lasting hydration. Takes a multidimensional approach to correcting the signs of skin aging. Related wrinkles are short and long-term reduced from the inside out and plumped. Application: in the morning and evening. Apply a thin layer by massaging in the morning and evening. 6. Dr. Grendel Timeless Perfect Décolleté 50 ml. Special care with push-up effect for the décolleté and neck. Smooths, tightens and preserves the youthful firmness and elasticity. 7. Dr. Grendel Protection UV SPF 50 Serum 50 ml. This light serum sunscreen SPF 50 protects against UVA and UVB radiation. Application: directly apply sunscreen serum drive. Grendel Protection UV SPF 50. To the light-exposed areas of the skin approximately 30 minutes before planned outdoor activities. Remember, follow these steps closely plus apply whatever you just viewed in this video. If you begin to apply these solution, especially with the high-performance collection, from the mid-40 or 50 years old, then you never need any kind of cosmetic plastic surgery at all in your entire life. And you will be almost forever young. Thank you for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next video. The more you view our video, the better looking you will beings. Your perfect beauty is our passion. And we will try our best to help you look forever young. If you like this video, please subscribe, share it with your friends and give it a like. Bye bye and have many nice days.